Assalamu alaikum grade 5 students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Stay home, stay safe. Okay students, don't go outside. Okay, open your computer's book. Page number 21. Unit number 3. Networks and Multimedia. Today we will learn about different multimedia and different networks that we are using. Page number 21. Development of computer is taking place at very fast pace during the past few years. As we know, during the last 10 or 20 years, computer is very much developing. The speed of computer double almost every 2 to 3 years. Computer networks. Networking. First of all, we will learn about what is networking. Networking is how computers are connected together to share information. Basically, network means to share information by connected computers. A network can be used to link computers, equipment like printers and other devices using wires, cell phone lines, satellite links or other resources. Networking technology may be discussed in terms of 3 methods: voice, data and video. The technologies are different, but it is not uncommon for a network to combine 2 or 3 voice or data. In some cases, our parts of network all 3. When we share the data, it is in voice form, data form or video form. The different types of networks that we are using are today we will learn about are, first of all, we will know about LAN, L-A-N, Local Area Network. Covers a small area of operation. From its name we can see that locally small area, generally within premises or between the closely placed groups of buildings. The buildings which are near to each other in which we are using is the network is LAN. Computers can be connected through wires from a network. LANs vary considerably in length or area covered in the number of devices connected and supported. Okay? It is not a very large network. Local area network, LAN. Now we will know about WAN, W-A-N, Wide Area Networks. It is just like a LAN, but excepting regarding the area that when generally covered is a large area and different combinations of communications. Because transmission speeds and capacity are limited, data transmit rates are such WANs are slower than on most LANs because the area becomes wider, so data speed is slow. Internet. Internet covers an even larger area than WANs and also known as network of network. There is a transmission of data between computer network. This is called internet working. When we will transmit data different computers, it becomes internet working. Network is between the same country, different countries and even continents. In this case, need interoperability. Interoperability means that different computers are connected in different countries or different companies, but the operating system are able to communicate with each other. It will be a worldwide network. Intranet. An intranet is between two different networks. Intranet is a network between one's organization to connect different computers with different operating system. Intranet is a little bit different. In this, we will connect different companies but different operating systems. Email. Email is a short form of electronic mail. It means transmission of messages, communication through different networks. You can make use of existing networks to send a message from one computer and another. The network could be LAN, WAN, intranet or internet. In recent years, the use of email has been increased many times. There are now 25 million email users sending 15 billion messages per year. Another common spelling of email is email, electronic mail. Now, CAI, computer assisted instruction. This method in which instructional material is prepared and stored in computer to form programs that will made or that will teach us specific lessons. I will read it again. It is a computer instructional material or a program that we stored in a computer to know some more specific lessons or teach us some more specific lessons. After the display of some information, questions are asked regarding the knowledge you have gained from the previous information. Provided the correct answer is given to the next step, can be tried. When the response is incorrect, the information is re-prepared and that question is asked again. It is very useful. CAL, Computer Aided Learning. It is indifferent in approaching computer assisted construction. In CAL, software relies more on learning through discovery and investigation. Computer programs use animations, modeling, experiments, modeling generation that a student can use to discover what happens in different situations. Video conferencing. Video conferencing is the process of conducting a conference call between two or more participants in different places or using different networks or using audio or video data. It is very useful. Nowadays, many businessmen use video conference calls. Both the participants have video cameras, speakers, microphones installed. So both ends of the computers and network used properly. Multimedia applications. Multimedia is the ability of a computer to control text, audio, video, animation. For a computer to be multimedia ready, it should be able to provide the above written facilities. CD-ROM has to be there to run the multimedia from. Multimedia ready computers should possess fairly large amount of RAM to be tune of 512 MB or more. So we can use the more CD-ROMs to enhance our applications or to use multimedia things. We can use multimedia from following applications: educational purpose, playing music, playing movies, playing games. Windows Multimedia Media Player. Windows Media Player is usually installed in our computers that we use to play CDs, Windows sound files, watch videos and educational CDs and DVD movies. It has got various controls to fast forward, rewind, stop and pause the file which we are playing. So what we have to do? We have to go first of all on the bottom of the PC. There is a written start button. We will press it. All programs, Windows Media Player. You can see it on your book also. You will see the Windows Media Player screen. Then you will click it, insert an audio CD into the CD drive. Choose the options which you have to listen or watch. Page number 25. Control buttons. There is a multiple choice questions on the top. You have to do it by yourself. Control buttons for multimedia. You can see there is a picture of a control button. Turn shuffle on. We will start from the right side. Seek bar, mute, next, play or pause, previous, stop, turn repeat on, turn shuffle on. Okay students, enhance the volume or slow the volume. Page number 26. Time savers. There are some command keys which can be used to save our time. Press Ctrl plus P to play or pause. Ctrl plus B, previous song. F10, increase the volume. F8, mute the song. F8, then restore the volume. Ctrl S, stop playing a song. Ctrl F, play the next song. F9, volume decrease. Playing a song on your computer. First of all, you have to open the file where your music library is. Select file, open, then open it. Your file will be loaded videos or songs. You can open it. Then you can file to go to exit also. Okay, students? In this unit, we have learned about networking. There are two basic networks, LAN and WAN. Then internet, intranet, multimedia applications, email, CAI, computer access instructions, computer edit learning, video conferencing, Windows Media Player, how to play a song. Okay, students, you have to complete all the exercises, exercise A, B, C and E on your book. Okay, students, complete on your book. Have a nice day. Keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.